Verification is key. Unknown caller? Let it go to voicemail. Email from your bank? Don't click the link. Go directly to the bank's website or call the number on the back of your card. The 24-hour rule. For any significant financial decision or offer that seems too good to be true, impose a mandatory 24-hour waiting period. This breaks the scammer's pressure cycle. Strategy 2. Rebuild social trust gradually. Start with the safest people in your life. Have a coffee with a friend you trust completely. Share a small vulnerability. Notice that the world didn't end. Gradually, you expand your circle of trust again. Strategy 3. See the helpers. For every one scammer, there are thousands of good, honest people. Look for them. The bank teller who helped you secure your account. The IT person at work gives a security talk. The supportive comments on a video like this one. Actively look for evidence of goodness to balance the scales.
Chapter 4. From Victim to Victor, Post-Traumatic Growth. What if I told you that this painful experience could in time become a source of incredible strength? It's called post-traumatic growth. It's not about being grateful for the scam, but about recognizing the strength it unearthed in you. You've developed a deeper sense of empathy for others who have been through hardship. You've become more resilient. You survived this. What else can you handle? You have a new purpose: to protect others. You can channel this into becoming a force for good. Share your story anonymously online to raise awareness. Warn your friends and family about the specific scam you face. Your experience can be a shield for someone else. You're moving from being a victim of the scam to the victor of your own story. Rebuilding trust is not a straight line. There will be good days
Chapter
and
3.
bad days.
Rebuilding trust in others and the world.
Every time you keep
Okay,
a promise to yourself.
So you're working on trusting yourself
and every
again.
time you verify.
But what about
before
the
you
outside
click,
world?
You are laying
How do you click a
another
link
brick on
or
your
answer a
path
call
to
from an
recovery.
unknown number without your heart racing?
You are targeted.
Strategy
But
1.
you are not defined by
Move
this.
from naive trust
You
to
are
informed
resilient.
trust.
You are learning.
Naive trust
and you
says,
are healing.
I trust everyone until they give
Now,
me a reason not
I
to.
have a very important
Informed
question for
trust says, I approach
Healing
situations with
happens
healthy
in
curiosity and verify
In the
before
comments
I
below,
trust.
I want you to share one thing, big or small, that has helped you move forward after a betrayal of trust. Maybe it was a specific piece of advice, a book, a mantra, or just a moment of clarity. Your story could be the lifeline that someone else desperately needs to hear today. Thank you for being brave enough to watch this and to start this healing journey. If this video helps you, please pay it forward and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more conversations on navigating life's challenges with courage. Remember, you've got this.